Hello everyone. Let's continue to end this page, and if we end fast, we will create in the same lecture how can navigate or transform from page to next or other, and paste the data from two screens. Okay, we have this items. It's the same, but it's the same this and this. But now we will use list builder, but with vertically, not horizontally. Okay, here we put this. I think we'll copy this to control command or control S or V and paste. And here let's change this with top offers, and here we need to be horizontally, no vertically. And I think this height will be uh, will be 30. Okay, let's take this, but top offer. Let's here wall to. I think this is the same. This is the same content, but with other format. We can create food card, slim thing like this, and let's copy this widget we created. Control C, Control Command D, thing like this, and let's thing like this with the name this. Now I think nothing. It's the same, but here we use this row, not column. One and this column. We need to do only to change this column to row. Let's see. Okay, it's amazing. And now let's remove this now. Thing like this, and let this to be smaller. And we don't need to be this. Let's see this thing like this. And I think it it's good. Yes, it's good. You can also use this. We don't need all this arrow. We need only text. Okay, this arrow, remove it, control and duplicate this, control D, and add here Italian recipe for you. Italian recipe for you. The best amazing thing of Flutter, I think, if we do this as X banded, I think this. No, Control Z, Control S, and they need to be this with the end. We can add here thing like spacer, or can without it. Okay, we can use this. We now here we have this column. It's okay, and we can space between. We can add this. All this is this column and this row. Oh, this row, this space between, and cross axis align to this image. Now we have row, and this row, I think, space. Let's add thing like mean axis align, mean axis align dot space between or space around. No, space between, it's good. Space between. Mm, and no, no. It's now good, but you need to go this here. We don't need this. Wait. We don't need all this row. Wait. I think I'm in wrong paste here, and this we don't need this row. This row I don't only need this, and this row all we don't need it. Remove. But this column have this, it's thing like this. And after this we need, I think we need box size to or size box, sorry, size box and height or width 20 here, thing like this, or 50. And also here we don't need card, or yes, we don't need card. Let's remove this card. Remove. And also remove this padding. Very important skill to how can optimize and edit any code to what you want. If this code have the same widgets. Let's do we here embedding, it's okay, and this color quite transparent, to be transparent, thing like this. Okay, let's add this to 25. No, I think this need to be a little more bigger. 30. I think it's good now. Okay, let's do add this line. It's spacer. Let's add spacer after. Let's do it as the last. It's row. Okay, and this is row, big row. Okay, and after padding it's row. Let's be spacer. Spacer, I think it take um, not spacer, it's line to, no, it's not spacer. Spacer extended this. Let's search. Okay, add line between column in flutter. I think it's divider. Yes, it's divider. I remember it. Divider, not spacer. Divider. Divider. Control S. I think it's the color and height. Height thing too. And color be I think gray color. Gray. Let's do I think Let's add this. Let's rebuild. It's gray. Let's do a thread to see. Okay, let's control X. Let's add this the first one. Let's this height to 10. 1 and 0 1. Okay, let's see this divider here. How to draw horizontal line? I think divider color or black. I do it red. Okay, control X. I think it's not here. Okay. I know what's the problem. I put this here. Where's divider? We need to do this padding and container. Okay, this container you should to wrap to column because this row and after this add divider. It's okay now. Gray. Okay, I think it's good. I think with this divider we can wrap with padding, but only right to left, right and left also. 8. I think it's good. It's now very good. Yes, yes. It's very good. Let's do this price to be thing like this to be good. It's very good. It's amazing. Okay, let's create other screen and after click thing like this. Okay, when I click to I will do for this card. When I click to this card open in the other screen. Okay, let's go to library and create other new page, new dot file. Let's detail page stateful. Use it. Detail page. Okay, and this detail it's error. I think we forget. Now we need to import material and this scaffold a bar. To add a bar here we will use a bar and a title. This title will be text. We can add in this title anything, icon or text. It don't want text. No, you need widget. Any widget you can put it. But here we will do meal food details. I think the same. Change it to details. Details. It's okay now. Control S. Okay. How can open it? We have to think with this. With it's when we want to click and go to this image to this page, we have navigator. Navigator have push and pop. Push have return. You can go and back with this, but pop, sorry, and push replacement will change this and replacement without back. We will see this. Okay, let's use this here where go to, I think this here. Let's when create to card, this card when click go to here. We have a lot of widget that have the functionality to press. I love this one, wrap with widget. This card will wrap with widget, and this inkwell this widget when click. If you check this, we have on tab, on double tab, on long press, this on tab, on double tab, on long press, and more. We use only on tab, and add this here functionality, thing like this, with this style. Here, I want only to click and go to navigator. It's responsible for navigator dot push. We have push and pop, pop and push named. If we have root name, never mind this. We use replacement. Replacement will not be back. Okay, let's use push, and push need context. That's will take this context here and go to material root with root material page root, and this builder thing like view builder need context, and the page context, and the page that will go to we named detail detail d detail, I think detail page, thing like this. Okay, context, I think we no, I think there is thing. Let's go back. Push. Okay, and here material page root material. I think who he it's need to me material page root. Okay, okay, I know the okay. He need the context material page root, and here context, and go arrow back the detail. I think detail page, and click, and this need from us context. I think we need to thing like this thing like this, build context with context. Let's try this. Oh, now we need me context. Okay, let's run and click. Let's go to here. If we do this push to push replacement, we can't back. Let's use it. Push replacement. Okay, if I go, we can't back. We can't back. We can't back. We use this push replacement when use onboarding screens that the user use it for one time to replace the screen. But the most common it's push. Okay, but how can pass the data between screen? If I here I want to when I click to this this page, open the title in the other, and if we create, let's change this text to dynamic text with different to when I click need to open the name here. Okay, let's create in the upper thing like this. Let's use this title. Okay, let's use this title. I will pass this title here. Okay, let's pass this title after this. Let's go to this titles. Okay, title with where is I think is this. Let's create title string title. Okay, and paste this title with this name with pasta. Let's as let's as over this 12. Okay, let's control V, control S, but this will be error because we need to add this title. It will be titles of index. Okay, now we have Asian American pizza. Okay, let's when I click here, we should see Asian foods. If I click here, American foods, thing like this. Okay, how can do it? We can pass the data from here. Okay, first thing we should go to second screen or the third screen and create here. We need to take the value. We should create final title string name title. Okay, and this create constructor for this control n constructor, or you can the same and with this title. Okay, and here now we will find the error because here this screen we should give this title. Anyone want to use this screen to navigate it, you should pass or give to navigator the the the, the title. Okay, and we can post here any string. If any string here, I will post the title. Sorry, the title, this title, and this title changeable with this array here in index with the same. Okay, now it's good. But when I go to here, we can't find anything because we want to change this text to this title. But when I click title, we can't find any title because this title come from widget. We should write widget dot title. Now control S and go to here with Asian. Go to here to American. You can add anything after this. You can do plus and write foods, thing like this. And when I click American, it's need space, control S. It's American foods. And here pizza foods, anything you want. It's very easy to go to the bus data from anything, also URL, anything. Okay, I think it's very good point. If you in this series and everything is good for you, now we can start with API and use any API. Next lecture we'll create the series for API with Flutter. See you. My name is Baha. Please subscribe and share the video. See you later. Goodbye.